A mistake.
You made a mistake? Jodi Marie Henriquez?
Whatever.
What?
Shut up. See, Jodi doesn't even know. No,
Jodi's not here?
First. Uh-oh.
What the
That's because it's not 1:30.
Jodi is not here.
Because she didn't know that we would be doing we'd be logging on, or I pressed the wrong button.
Hi, Jamie Jams.
Hello everybody, welcome to all of the early crew rolling in, and Jodi is missing. Toronto in the house. Alright, and Lady B Mixology is here as well, of course, our best friend. Hi Kara, what's
Lady
up?
B has sent us some cranberry old fashioned as well as some strawberry cinnamon roll.
She already liked that one, so she was
I'm excited to.
Yes. But careful how you shake it up.
I know, red juice everywhere.
Oh, those sawballs really filled me up.
Oh,
Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness.
So anyway, I was just going through online a while ago, just flipping through my Instagram, and I saw that one of my friends, I've made friends with followers along the way that I've never met before, but just we have somehow made a connection and we start talking in my Instagram. Anyway, I've made a couple of friends and I followed them, and we chat. And she had posted some things onto her her Instagram stories that kind of made me feel like she just needed a little boost, right? Because boost. Yeah.
Not boots, or like condoms?
No.
Oh.
Boots.
Boost.
Boots.
She need a little boost, and then you boots up somebody.
Okay, hold on.
She need a little boost. Boost.
Okay, boost. So I messaged her and I was like, girl, just acting grace, whatever you do, like, people come into your life for a reason, a season, a time, just go. And then I was scrolling through my Instagram some more, and I saw that a lot more people had kind of like the same post that, friendships were falling apart, or just that, things were happening in their lives. And I thought to myself, Christmas is such a very funny time.
Yeah.
It's such a very, very, very funny time, because although
you don't have no money and you're broke, you always make it through.
And you're holly and you're jolly and you're trying to be holly and jolly. But Christmas isn't always a holly jolly time for everybody. And at this time there has been deaths, there has been the passing of family members, there has been things that have happened to people in their lives that just may not be the best time for them to happen. It's not like it happened in a random May. This is like a time that you're going to remember every single year. Oh, it happened at this
Christmas time.
You might remember because of a specific experience or a party you were at or something.
Right.
And it just occurred to me that just reach out to people
friends
who you think may need a little boost at this time, because Christmas isn't a happy time for everybody.
Yeah, that's true. That's something I've never really thought about. Like, I try to put so much into Christmas for those around me to make sure it's a happy time. I saw where somebody asked if we'd finished Christmas shopping, and for the most part, but to slow down and kind of remember that there are those that may not have something to smile about. Somebody was saying so many deaths lately. We're not gonna harp on the deaths. We do want to send our condolences. And it's a time where I remember where Jacob died in during Christmas time. So it's just to take a step back and we always talk about grace on this show. We always talk about, appreciating what you have, but then taking a step back to maybe think of others. And I think Christmas is a great time to do that. So thank you for bringing that up so that, we can kind of just take a little step and
like also, guys, people have been saying, oh, what does Stevie need for Christmas? And nothing. The girl don't need that one thing. When you can send something to me, wait till like March or something when I'm like, actually she really needs this, because I just find that it's such an overwhelming time to receive all of these gifts. Much appreciated. Like, do you know I have never bought Stevie an article of clothing?
You've gotten everything.
I have gotten and I have received everything. I have been so blessed with my baby. I have
Count
been
your
so
blessings.
blessed. So blessed.
This Christmas, we are giving time to shelters and donating some meals to families instead of giving them gifts.
And that's
idea.
exactly what
the
I
church
wanted
is
to
always
say.
open.
Like, you know, just don't leave this to Christmas alone to be giving. Like, for me, my budget is done, and you know, my Christmas list last year was this big. My Christmas list this year is smaller. And if I haven't given to somebody, like, you just don't get, like, it's not a time of this overwhelming, like, bust your budget kind of thing. Like, you have to stay within your means. And
life goes on after December.
Christmas. Yeah. So, you know, I appreciate even just a tray. Merry Christmas. I appreciate that so much. You know, it's the presents mean nothing to me. It is the love.
The presence of your the presence. So not the present, the presence of your physical being there, your support, your love, you know, in
I think that it's
you
nice, you know, and I think in Jamaica a lot of people love to get presents and love to, like, you know, give me nothing, or you can't, you know, dash out like a thing. And the truth is, like, no, I can't. Like, I have formula to buy, I have, you know, bills to pay. So although you might see and look and think about somebody and say, wow, she could afford it, like, you don't know. You really and truly don't know. So just be happy with, even if a little hug is given, just be happy with that. Guys.
All right, I see a lot of people tuning in from London. I saw Mexico earlier, so I just want to say hi and to say welcome. Trini Mamacita from Trinidad is here. And we are we going to fight through the comments so early? Oh my gosh.
Let's get it.
Yeah. So Sean gave me a list of things to talk about, and he speaks in parables. World Cup, Brazil versus Korea for love.
Who knew Korea was going to come up so?
Then he writes, Japan lost to Croatia due to penalties. So thank you, Sean, for that update on the World Cup.
No, I wish I could see his writing.
No, his writing is so bad.
How do you even understand
I don't know. That's a P.
That's an E.
That's a P.
Well, that's a word.
So we
like
my
a
shirt
language.
says nice, naughty. I do both. Letting you know.
Anyway, hurry up and get your orders in with Lady B Mixology. These taste so
You gotta
good.
turn the bag to the back. Tastes better. Turn it around.
I like the front.
I like the back.
Okay, girl, do your thing.
Morocco just beat Spain. Wow, on a penalty.
Raindrops is here. She's giving us some
All right,
Brazil
Morocco.
flags.
Yeah. So you let us know. You get your Lady B, and guys, honestly, I think it's different. You know,
Let me taste it from the back.
Yeah, it's always better from the back. Sean says.
It's so sweet from the back.
I like sweet.
It's so sweet. I like it from the front. It tastes better.
Got to take it from the back.
Okay.
You know, it's like two different drinks almost.
It's
so weird. It's very weird. You guys get your Lady B Mixology, and then you taste it. Take a nice sip from the front, and then flip it and take a sip from the back, and let us know what's your favorite.
Thank you, Wadinel. That's a hard name. About my eyebrows, you know what? My eyebrows are something that I take real pride in. Jodi hates them.
I hate them. Your eyebrows are like there's some big caterpillars that kind of like.
They are so Madonna 1980s.
Okay, Fuzz Bunny.
I love them thick. Look at them.
You like the girth.
I like the girl.
All about the girth.
At least I have eyebrows. Didn't have to tattoo my name.
Listen, you relax yourself. Mine growing just fine. I was with the times. At that time, it was a no eyebrow time. Jeez. We're going to take some photos later, Karen, and post them. All right. So tonight, guys, you know, if you want me to help you with a little shopping guide, you know, what you can buy for your husband, for your friends, something easy, something, you know, that will get delivered for you, something really, really cool things, tune into my live this evening at 7:30. I know you guys think that like by 5 o'clock I'm in bed. I usually am, like an old granny. But I'll be doing a live this evening at 7:30 Jamaican time. That's US time. That's Canadian time. That's just the time now. And Yeah, I'm going to help you pick out a few things with Carb Shopper. Some stuff that I actually really do have around here. I was like, okay, I'm going to show this. I'm going to do that. So
Big up to my girl, Simone Denny Music. She's on here. Hi, Simone. I love her. Anyway, I was cutting off the banana off of the
girl,
thing
it sounds like
this
you had
morning.
sauce. Yeah, anyway.
Well, I was cutting the banana off of the bunch this morning with the knife. So I was going like this to put in Stevie's lunch pan. And I cut myself. It was such a gross thing. Like, I cut, because the knife was one of the serrated knives.
You don't just broke the banana? You broke it off?
No, because I don't want it to get like brown at the top if there's a little opening. You know, she likes to have the little stick to peel it down.
Yeah, okay. Cool.
But anyway, my neighbor gave us some Chinaman bananas.
You know, you peel a banana from the other side and it will come off
That's
with all
what
the
they do in
veins.
Korean, and I taught you that.
Yeah, that's what monkeys do.
My Korean roommates showed me that.
Yeah?
Yes.
And it's easier to open. Sometimes you fight with the
And
yellow
then you
banana.
hold the stick. And you hold the stick.
What stick?
The stick. The banana has a little stick. It's banana, it's a stick, and then it goes banana, and then that's a banana bottom. So you want to hold the stick and then peel from the bottom.
You put a stick in your banana?
Oh God, stop.
I'm not understanding.
The banana!
Yes?
Okay. Alright, everybody, this is what I'm talking about.
Alright.
Bananas come on a bunch. Can you guys see this? Right? Bananas come on a bunch. So when you pick off one banana, right? Then the banana,
Stem?
this
The
banana has a
Stem,
stem.
not stick.
Yeah.
So, you like piece of stem on the banana?
Yeah, I like it when the stem did it.
Don't let her draw.
I don't remember drawing.
Banana stem. So you leave piece of the banana stem on the banana.
Yes.
Oh, I
saw-
thought you put a stick in the banana.
No, I don't want to stick nothing in the banana.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, guys. Well, make sure you catch us Saturdays at 9:30 Jamaican time over on Flow, and you can catch Road Ready. We've moved on over to
Hold on, I don't understand. This is you're just saying this so nonchalantly. You say let's catch us on Flow. Is it me and you?
We'll be on there soon. Oh, or was it that? Yeah, just catch us. And
Catch who?
Road Ready us.
Road Ready.
Yeah.
Okay, on Saturday.
Oh, you thought you were on TV now?
Yes,
You are! Next season! Don't tell anybody.
I was like, what's going on?
So Road Ready is now moved on to Flow. Saturdays at 9:30 JA time. That's this time now. And 10:30 ECT. What is ECT? Etc. time. And then if you miss it, you can catch us on Wednesday for the rebroadcast at 9:30 time. Just the time.
So hold on. So let's do our schedule that we're watching now. 7:30 time tonight. We're watching you do Carib Shopper good Christmas presents to have.
7:30 time.
7:30 time.
Right. And then you guys join me. So if you're like, oh gosh, I don't know what to buy my best friend Haley, let's talk a little bit about Haley. And then I'm going to I'm gonna have my laptop right there, and I'm gonna find a gift. And if you don't like it, say that's not her. I'm gonna find it again, because honestly, considering I'm such a technological duncebat, the Carib website
That's not
shopper
the only kind of dunce material, but
just
anyway.
be quiet, Mo.
Okay.
Because you call banana stem stick. The Carib website, Carib Shopper website is very easy to use. Eastern. ECT time is Eastern. Etc. time, it's
Sean wrote this. Sean
wrote the top part. This is illegible now.
Oh, really?
Sean,
Can you
yes.
write it? That's your writing?
That is my writing. Jeez, I'm a Eastern time zone. There's a C in there, bro. There's a C.
I think it's supposed to be an S. That's what everybody's telling you.
ECT, etc. etc. time.
ST.
So if it's not Jamaican time, then it's etc.
Right. Anything else outside of
etc.
time. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Etc.
Okay. Etc.
Cheers to etc. time.
Etc.
Etc.
So etc. time is 10:30.
So anyway,
Yeah.
right. I also
Eastern Caribbean time. That makes so much. No, somebody else says Eastern Central time. It's okay.
She was telling us.
ECT time. Oh, but okay.
Wadanel was telling
Okay.
us. My friend who likes my eyebrows.
So we're re-releasing some of the episodes. We're adding more juicy stuff, bits to it. We're
You
actually
re-edited it?
Yes, we added more stuff into the episode, so you'll still see us on YouTube, but
The YouTube shows and the Flow shows are different.
Are a little bit different, and then everything from Flow will eventually at some point move on over to YouTube. But what you saw on YouTube was great and good, but we're gonna beef it up, juice it up, add some color, add some drama, add some ting-tings, add a little bit of tricky in there. Don't tell anybody. Shh, don't tell anybody. We're gonna add some tricky in there, and then we're gonna add it in there. And then we're gonna just re-release it, like dash it on them.
I don't know about that. I feel like my time that I spent with Roadrunner was.
You are crying the first night?
No, I never cried.
You cried.
No, I told you I vomited on the highway.
Oh yeah. Crying, vomiting, may some minor.
Like that.
Etc. ECT. Same thing.
So I went out for the first time in God knows how long. I go and we were doing the Miami Carnival, so I go and you get your cups that you have to fill up with your drinks for Carnival. So I go and I tell my cup, and there was like Casamigos on the road, and everybody's been going on and on and on about Casamigos. I'm like, all right, Casamigos and soda water, no problem. How come I thought that I was a warrior?
Here.
Who's that?
Your husband. I could sense him.
You don't want to kiss me? You know, my husband didn't even want to kiss me.
You didn't tell you what? You couldn't tell he was in the room?
He has a quick neck. You love me?
Bye. Who empty your pocket?
Not me.
Okay.
Remember.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Remember that you love me. Thank you, Dee. He's so good.
If he was that cute, why you couldn't tell he was at the door?
I wanted to play koi.
You wanted to play koi? He's a fish?
So anyway, so I was like, okay, let me just do this Casamigos thing. So
How did you remember what you were talking about before? You know I can't do that. Wow.
So then I fill up my cup with the Casamigos, and then after, you drink that first drink fast, right? Because you're excited to be there, you're on the road, and you're readying up and whatever. And then I drank a second cup of Casamigos, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely not okay. Just water for the rest of the day, because I was starting to act like wild. So fine, no problem. By the time I had a great time, great time. Let me tell you something. Playing Miami Carnival with Gen X was honestly, Juve was one of the best.
Juve was wicked.
Was one of the best life experiences I have
Miami
had.
Juve with Gen X
and
was
I still
top tier.
have the tan from the swimsuit that.
Me too, with little lines on my bottom. Every time I'm bathing, I'm like, yeah,
I still have the tan. But playing with Gen X was so I would travel again to do Juve.
Yeah.
I would travel again to do Juve. Anyway, so we got in the car and everybody had to split up. So I was being like, trying to be so helpful, Trey, and whatever.
Like, take me home.
And so I was going to go and drop some other people home before we got there, and the bus was full and whatever. So I jumped into this car with like only two of the cast members and some of their friends, right? So when I get into the car and I look around, I'm like, I'm in a car with 4 men. Like, me one.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, do it up.
Me one and 4 men. And I'm like, the only person I knew was KJ, and I think it was
Winston was in our car too.
Winston.
You can't give up the whole of the show.
Sorry, so I don't give it up.
Okay.
So I was in the car with KJ and Winston, and there was like these 2 other guys, and one of the other guys was driving, but he was KJ's friend. And I'm like, boy, I just didn't really think. I'm like on the highway now, and I'm like, just really didn't think about this. Like, I don't really know KJ or Winston that well. They're part of the team, so like, I guess family is family. But like, I don't know the driver, and I don't know the passenger, and I'm like, this is really not safe. Like, this is not the safest moment in my life. Like,
I find we've had worse.
We've had much worse. But I'm a mom now, so I've
you have to like kind of judge it out.
So I'm like, okay, so I'm sitting on there, we're all in the car, and we're all chatting. And then I'm just like, so KJ looks up at me and he's like, are you okay? I'm like, driver, pull over. Pull over. So they're like, what's happening? And I'm like, pull over. So I jump out of the car now, and I'm on the highway. She's
at the highway.
And I
ECT time.
I had my hair out, Juve. So I'm on the highway, and I'm just like,
You got out of the car?
yes.
There was no cameraman?
No. And
Oh God, that's
like,
embarrassing.
on the highway. And then the boys are all looking at me, and I'm like, you ran lasses. Not one of you could come and hold my hair. See them out here?
You left a piece of your mammy. Pieces of you.
And then when I get back in the car, KJ goes like this with some water. You need to wash out your mouth.
They're probably like, imagine I skedaddle out of the car from my girlfriend have to deal with you about whole hair.
I know. I'm like, none of y'all can hold my hair. You're like, no.
Juve is like a different breed of fun.
Yeah,
it's like a different breed of fun.
Yeah.
Somebody was asking a while ago which carnival was better. I can tell you which carnival I had more fun at. So I believe I had more fun at me and myself. I not too sure about, but I think I had more fun at Miami Carnival.
Over Jamaica Carnival?
Yeah. All right, you don't start. We won't get Trace to start. She had a terrible time for Jamaica Carnival.
I was just going to say I had more fun at Miami Carnival.
Okay.
Jamaica Carnival was held in August this year.
July.
Was
So hot. Anyway,
it was held on the hottest day of the year. That's all I have to say. So it was not.
So it was like, we went to hell and we were like, hey devil, I take a wine on me knob. Hot booksy. Oh God.
I stopped half day. I was like, I am overheated.
Yeah, Scott and I had to finish strong on your behalf.
Your activity friend.
My activity husband.
Oh,
it's like, come on, activity husband. We gotta finish this out. Let's go. Gotta finish strong.
I know. Sean and I are the same. You and Scott are the
Just
same.
like, I'm going home. I'm hot.
I know. And Sean is the sweetest. Every carnival he always has so much Chinese food waiting for us at home. And
For me? His wife?
For me, his true wife who came home early to him.
When I come home, I'm always kind of vexed with me. I couldn't come home earlier. No, Sean, no. I didn't want the day to done. So one day, right, after carnival, Sean picks me up and he's going to get the food. So he picks me up and I'm in the car. And he must have left his wallet. So he comes back to the car. And in the split second, I knew I had like maybe 2 minutes to cry. So I was like, ah! And I started crying. So Sean knocks on the window and he's like, the fuck is wrong with you, Jodi? What's it? I said, carnival is finished. He's like, all right, just let me grab my wallet and you have a moment. And I was like, Molly, when he tells the story, he goes, it was like immediate. Jodi just sit down there and she just meds it out. And then as I come out the car, you just see her set up. And get a ball, get a ball, it's carnival done. I was like, yes, I felt like I wasn't ready. You picked me up too early. Sure. Back to his notes. Japan lost to Croatia due to penalties.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you, Sean. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much.
I always can depend on him for some vital information.
Well, this morning I was getting ready, putting on my makeup, and he came and sat right there. He just sat there, and I was.
He loves you.
Yes, I was just like, hey. He's like, oh yeah, and he just started telling me like some American stories, and we were talking. And it was when I was almost done. I was like, you've been in here a while, and he's like, yeah, I love you. I was like, oh. So
yeah, girl, you got it. 20 years later, and I still love you. That's
of
a
course.
big deal,
Anyway, we don't advertise our relationship because it is not for sale. I don't understand people post up them man. I don't post up my man. I want everybody to be like,
the shade you're throwing over here at
I want
me.
people to be like, oh, Sean's not a nice husband. He's not a nice person to be around. Like, I don't want people to be like, oh my God, Sean is so nice. No, he's not. He's horrible. Leave him alone. Don't talk to him. Terrible man. Horrible. Disgusting. Leave him alone. Horrible. Sure.
Don't know how you manage.
Yeah.
Don't know how you deal with that.
Jeez, pity.
and peas.
When you start post them and you write up my honey bunny, Poochie Lou, love of my life,
Okay, girl, I get your point.
father of my children.
Throwing shade over
you want
here.
like a Poochie Lou too? Yeah. Where do I find out Poochie Lou? Oh, I know where. Scroll to the location where Poochie Lou was last seen. I don't know Poochie Lou. No love here.
I love
Japan lost to Croatia.
Listen, I waited a long time for the love of my life, Scott Roman.
Jodi's just joining us. Somebody block her. Somebody look at this. Somebody block her. Jodi is late.
No, but
It's almost done.
this is
What is the time now?
1:53. Buy some lotto. I don't understand how Jodi thinks she can just join
at
sneak in.
At 1:53.
Sneak in. Like we weren't going to see.
Jodi, you're not allowed to comment for the next 5 minutes. Take back your laughs.
I know.
Take them back.
Hold them.
Yeah.
Hold that.
Sure. Next thing you're gonna come all in here from my poochiloo. Japan lost to Croatia due to penalties. Thank you, Sean, for the update. What else? Yes, guys, so make sure, Jodi, you can join me 7:30 tonight on my live. I will be up and ready and active. And
actually, Jodi,
Angela's Kitchen is in London. Yes, you should
That's
be
the only way you can make this up.
Yes. So we're going to do a little shopping later over on Carib Shopper. Carib Shopper. And on Friday, we have a big announcement. I keep saying we, but I have a lot of we's, you know. It's just a lot of we's. Friday, we have a big announcement for Road Ready. So make sure you stay tuned to the Road Ready page. Just bare announcements. It's like Road Ready is going to, like, you know, have an announcement.
So,
what is that you're drawing at bedside table?
So my husband, and I do it to you too, like sometimes, like he's talking to someone, but he needs to write down something quickly, and he just always goes into my WhatsApp conversations. I get like the most random messages. Yes, I do that to you.
You do that to me, but I don't do that to anybody. I've done it maybe 2 times in the family group chat. But like, you're always doing it to me. Pick up 7:30 ham. Like, okay, cool. We're heading with this ham.
What do you like to do?
We go with the damn ham. And I love ham. It's not for me.
So anyway, Babe Brunch is this Sunday. This Sunday at Sunken Gardens.
Right.
So you can
dress up.
You can dress up. So the theme is like the theme is like a Coachella vibe theme. You know, like that's how it is. I don't think I'll be on theme because I tried to order some outfits and it came and it did not fit.
Did not. Yeah, but you know, I think so when she's saying the theme, like I think that's what she'll be decorating as.
Yeah, but no, I was going so hard on the theme. I was going in. I have been looking forward to going to this stupid party for like
a long time.
Long time.
So I bought my ticket because I just find that
I was talking though. Yeah.
I wasn't gonna talk.
Okay, good. Because I mean, it gets annoying when you keep
Japan lost.
So I've been looking forward to this party for the longest time ever because the last Baby Brunch that we had was in 2019 and I really enjoyed it. Me, you and Tiffany went.
Yes.
And it was so much fun. Everybody was dancing. It was the last party that I remember going to that people were actually dancing.
And it was fun because I don't think you had Stevie yet, no?
No, I did not have Stevie.
So I had like, I left the kids up at Mommy's house. And I was like, Mom, I'm just gonna go check out
and
this
we
party
didn't know
for
what to expect.
Yeah, and I think that's when you have the most fun, you know, when you kind of go into something not knowing what to expect and you don't have all of these assumptions and, you know.
I walked in and it was just, it was a beautiful crowd. Everybody
was nicely dressed.
The decor was really nice and it was very girly. I remember that. Like, and I liked that.
Yeah.
It was pink.
Yeah.
And it was very nice. And so, you know, when I heard that Baby Brunch was coming out again this year, I was like, dude, I am so excited to go. So I bought my festival wear and it came and it does not fit. So I'm very sad. So I'm now looking for an outfit to wear. But don't fear, I'm going to look good.
I'm going to be there. No, you should have made it right.
Oh, don't fear.
I'm going to be
there.
Jeannie's asking about Burna Boy. I kind of want to see. So they just came out for what I think with supporting act or Popcorn. Sorry, Popcorn is on the lineup. I kind of want to see who else there's going to be. I think it's a lot of money and
no, Popcorn is not on the lineup for Jamaica.
Yes, I heard it on the radio today.
Oh,
so
on the radio
I think
today.
they're adding him to the mini tour.
I wonder if Tony and Singer. Who? No, first of all, like you know, I live under a rock.
You did not see her in the airport.
Who?
And Tony and Singh. I was like, Tracy, they were just calling her. They were calling
her. So first of all, I did not even know this girl was like in existence until really recently. I know I live under a rock though.
Tracy,
but we
she
know
was
this.
the only Miss World, not Miss Jamaica, or Miss World to reign for 2 years because of the pandemic.
So I would not have recognized her if you showed her to me.
She was in makeup. She looked so nice, and they were like, Tony and Singh, please report to the gate agent at gate number 9.
But you should.
And I was like waiting for like a performance to come on. I was like, because they were like Tony and Singh.
But anyway,
and then people were around going on Pretty Liquor Browning.
Anyway, I've been jamming to this song they've been playing on the radio, jamming to it, and I thought Rihanna sang it. Like I thought it was Rihanna.
Tracy.
It wasn't until Auntie Stephanie was like, you don't know her, she can't sing, and she can sing, you don't know what I'm talking about. And I was like, yes, I know.
She won her fast track competition.
Yeah.
She came in like in the actual Miss World competition. She placed really high in talent.
No, I get that. But anyway, so she can sing, guys. Like she is such like her song was on the radio with Popcorn, and I didn't realize because I'm just jamming in the morning, and I love that I'm back onto the radio because remember when I used to work at Jazz, they played radio all day.
Yes, and Tracy knew all
every
the
song.
She'd be doing her, oh, wow, and I'm like, how do you know? What song is it? She goes, you didn't know, Jonas Brothers have a new song. Or
yeah,
whatever.
I was on top of it. So now that I've been dropping CV back to school, I'm back in my game.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes these people come out and they're like, oh, she started a singing career, and you're like, oh God, oh, like why do we have to like strain our ears to listen to this person?
No, she sings
but
beautifully.
Tony Ann came on radio and she can belt one out.
Very melodious. When
Imagine her singing
she
a
sang
Christmas carol.
the Jamaican national, she sang the Jamaican national anthem. But yeah, man, she can sing.
She can
sing. She was
Yeah,
fast
girl.
tracked in lots of her competitions.
Yeah.
Because she actually had a notable talent.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what's going on. And then Japan lost to Croatia due to penalties.
Yeah, and she's a pretty girl.
So yes, back to the Burna Boy concert. So Popcorn is on that. So,
Oh, and that's what I
maybe
was
you're
saying.
bringing. Oh,
That's
that
what
would be
I see. I hope
wicked.
he brings her on.
Like a surprise guest
Yes,
artist. Oh,
yes.
that would be wicked.
No, but I feel nervous for her because that's a big audience to
Yeah,
bust
but
to.
I find that all of Jamaicans love her though.
No,
Jamaicans
love
love her.
I love her.
And not only that, but like Popcorn is like between Popcorn, it's like that's like our like Jamaican royal family. Popcorn and Tony and Sing.
Yeah,
You know?
I love her.
The Royals are coming. They're going to perform on the Burna Boy concert on the 18th of December. Everybody get yourself together with your Nutella and such.
Nutella.
I love Nutella.
Nutella sandwiches. So, you want Nutella sandwiches?
Yeah.
I love a Nutella sandwich.
I love a Nutella. I just love Nutella on a spoon, or as Remy would say, Auntie Steph, you want some Butella? And then she goes and she gets a stool, she pulls down the Nutella and gets spoons, and she and Auntie Steph messes up the whole couch with ice cream, with Nutella.
Auntie Steph needs to come and scrub out some cushion.
Oh, the Marleys. Yeah, no.
What I mean?
When I was saying Jamaican royal family.
No, the Marleys
Like
are
a current Jamaican
I feel
royal
like the Marleys are like
couple.
the monarchy, like
Right,
you know, they're
right,
like
yeah,
everybody
yeah.
knows.
Yes,
yeah.
right.
But no, hip and it's like they're the you know, you should. It's like they're the new they're the new hip hop.
Hippity hop.
Yeah,
Hippity
yeah.
hip.
Yeah, the Marleys are the monarchy.
Yeah, and then you have
our new royal couple.
Right, exactly.
Right. Love that.
Shania,
Lulu, yeah.
Oh.
So anyway, what else is going on?
I don't know, because you and your banana stick, I don't know what else you have to say. Jeez. Oh, I did get a little present here but this is an unboxing. This is foreign things. I left it to unbox here. So we do have a Mac store in Jamaica, and they did send, I just wanted to show off that Mac was sending me things. And they asked me what my address was, so
They addressed it to you?
they addressed it to me. And so I was like, oh cool, let me do a little unboxing tomorrow. This box is nice, I'm sure mommy will want it. So we have, okay, so Levi is gonna take this. He loves Wakanda Forever.
Oh, and they sent a little brush too. This is nice for good application of whatever is in that.
Is this a
I was looking for some new makeup too.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful colors.
These are some nice colors. Very nice. Thank you so much, Mac. I love this. Thank you.
Oh, brushes. More brushes.
Wow, more stuff in here.
So this is a Wakanda Forever pouch from MAC.
Oh, a golden lip gloss. Like a gold speckled.
Wow, nice.
high gloss.
Let me see how this looks on.
What's this, a black pencil? Oh yeah, I forgot to put my...
Okay, the gold lip gloss is just nice and goldy. See it here? Okay, I like that.
Sometimes when I want to look extra dress up, I just put some black eyeliner on my waterline.
Yeah.
So it comes with a black eyeliner. Wow, there's lots of things in here. Mac, love me. What else we have? Lots of holy things.
Oh wow, a lip
Tracy,
lippy.
teeth something.
No, don't even say it because you know it's happening. I just didn't want Jodi to be like, oh, it
What
just
is
got
this?
Oh, a new lippy.
What is
A
this?
new lippy. That's nice. I love this color.
What's this white stuff?
Let me see.
Waterproof liner in white.
Oh, because Wakanda Forever, remember they do all of those
Oh,
like designs.
okay, yes. Okay. I understand. Now.
Okay.
A lipstick in. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this.
Oh wow, that's
It's
really
like a nice nudie color.
Yeah.
So I'm sure the Wakanda Forever collection is available at the Mac store here in Jamaica. Oh, they sent me so much. I feel like
purpley.
you know when they like treat the foreign influencers to stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm getting stuff. Which is this one? Oh, look at this purple. Ooh, oh, let's swatch.
You can keep that one.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, this is nice.
And what's this
Good
one now?
stuff.
See anything you like, Trey? You want anything?
Hmm?
Want anything?
Oh, and then that's a
purple liner.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice.
I kind of like the dark purple. I could swap it out for the black.
You could, and it has a little glitter in there.
So it was just a dark purple liner, but it's really nice and dark, so that
Yeah.
it can swap it out for a black. I'm sure Mommy wants this box.
What color was this lipstick? Oh, this purple. This is nice. That would look good on you.
A plummy, yeah.
That would look very good on you. There you go.
Wait, put it in the pouch. Thank you very much, Mac. Guys, if you see anything you like, you can check out Mac store here in Jamaica. Let me see that brush.
Which brush? You got two brushes. You got a angled brush
Oh, I can use this to contour.
and a flat brush.
And I use this to put on. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you, Max Store.
All right.
Thank you, Max Store, for always thinking of me when you pack things for Joe. You don't need to label a box for me. Wouldn't be the same. Wouldn't be the same if I got my own stuff.
No, you
Wouldn't be
wouldn't.
the
You
same.
wouldn't want them.
I really wouldn't.
You know?
I really wouldn't. I would never want it. This how things stay. Lord, people stay baddy. The people stay bad. Japan lost to Croatia due to penalties.
Yeah.
Jeez and peas.
Oh, Sean, thank you for that. That's
Information that's been
information. Yeah.
just headlining this show. Headlining this
Yeah.
entire show.
Girl, Sean came to say when he sat down with me for half an hour, he was giving me, you know, because I was talking. He says, "You need any help?"
Yeah, yeah. How sweet of him.
Sweet guy, yeah.
Actually, he's not.
No, horrible guy.
Horrible guy.
No, I
Horrible
wouldn't want
guy.
him. No, you wouldn't want him. Terrible man.
Terrible.
No lady B today.
What are you talking about?
Back ways or front ways?
How are you against that?
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to stay sober because I have.
Why? Who wants to be sober? Why?
Yes, we have Lady B today. Let me taste yours. I'm drinking a cranberry old fashioned.
It's Tuesday. Why would you want
And this
to be
is
sober?
a strawberry cinnamon roll. Oh, you left me all the dregs, eh? You left me all little strawberry seeds.
This is very fresh.
What you mean?
Like, this tastes clean.
But I hope she doesn't sell dirty drinks. Ask her front or back, or if you want dirty or clean. No, Lady B, I'll take like a clean drink from the back. Any other things you want?
Does not taste like gully water.
No, girl, it does not. Glad. Glad about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that sip?
Clean.
Clean. A clean sip. There we go.
A clean sip.
Have you guys been to China Express since it reopened? It reopened? Oh, did not even know that.
Just in time for Christmas. God is so good.
I don't understand how they had a fire and took so long to like
What do you
recover.
mean? It
China
cost money.
Express
They had
March.
just redone the place, you know. Like, they had closed on the place.
But with the amount
they
that
had
they
redone
charge,
it.
they could have redone it 5 different times.
Joe, they have a big staff to pay, you know. They have to fly that Chinaman over from the Orient to come and deal
No,
with
they don't fly the
deal with them.
Chinaman from anywhere. It's not those are the sushi people. The Chinaman teaches the Jamaican. Actually, I don't know what goes on in the kitchen back there.
Exactly. You don't know.
Hope they kept the chef. It reopened this past Sunday. I wonder what the prices are.
How come, Gina, they reopened this Sunday, how come nobody invited us to the opening?
I just find that they just opened. You think they would have had a grand opening?
I mean,
no.
Clearly they didn't, because I wasn't invited to bust up some sweet and sour.
Well, I just find you have to buy it and then that's their opening.
No, this is the opening, and
No,
I
it's
want
not.
to go and get some free sweet and sour.
No, they are had to
See, that is why you're not invited, because you're sour like. China Express, I would like to go eat some free sweet and sour.
Alright. Yeah, because the Chinese food we had this weekend really wasn't it. Them give us some like a pili pili rice. The rice was so pili rice.
I hate pili pili rice.
Jeez. And I keep forgetting to say don't send the free rice. It's like the free rice that the Chinese restaurants
No, I think it's
send are
what's that rice called, where it's like half of the rice, it's like buck shuffle rice or something like that.
I don't know, I don't like buck shuffle rice
I
at
don't
all.
like it either. I like the full grain, like
Yeah.
jasmine.
Yeah, or bismanti.
This man's too skinny for me. Jasmine are the deal.
Even like a long grain or like a parboil. I can't deal with like a pili pili rice.
I like
if you
jasmine.
take it and fling it, like you could like I'll shut down two birds. No, so they had a soft opening.
Oh, Jodi know about soft opening. I should ever live in
Yeah.
Jamaica.
I'm willing to fly to Jamaica just for China Express.
Well, you know the Schweppes.
Well, the money you spent on the ticket will be the same amount of money I went to spend inside place. But anyway, all right, everybody. Make sure you catch me later. Right, later will be greater. 7:30, right here. We'll go shop. We'll go do some shopping. And I mean, I don't want to jinx myself, but somebody said he'd come and help me. So I was like, all right, cool. So let's see how that works. Maybe we could be that cute couple. A joke, he's not nice. Terrible husband.
Well, Levi.
No, Levi's going to bed. Oh no, Sean has to put them to bed. I don't know what Sean's talking about. Sean probably trying to run me last night. Here a minute. I want Daddy to read me a story.
Who said it, Remy?
Yes, I was like, fine. I'm going to go and give myself a facial. Sean, you're up. I want Daddy. I want Daddy. I didn't feel always still.
I know. It's like when Daddy comes home and Stevie does this big run to Daddy.
Like,
Daddy!
run, Tracy.
And I'm like, hi, hello. I had you. I made every single organ in your body. I made that. I made that.
When your boogers need to come out of your nose, I will suck them out.
Actually,
when
that's
food
Scott.
need to really,
Do that.
when food need to cook, when
That's
you want
me.
something like, oh, I want something special, green grapes with no seeds. Who the hell go and buy you that?
That's me.
I want Daddy to read me a story.
I know.
I want Daddy.
I mean, Scott is on diaper duty for the rest of his life. I'm not doing another do diaper. I can't do that.
Well, I can't do Stevie's do the diapers.
Whoa, they are a bonus.
I've had to tell Trace she's not allowed to change her in the TV room. Like, you have to take her away from people. Oh, it's disgusting. That little bottom, man.
Stop it. Why are you acting like Remy or Levi had anything better?
They drop them in the toilet now.
No, okay, no. Stop going on like the shit can be petty.
Oh, boy. All right, everybody. We are rounding up.
It is only 2:12.
Well, I think you should give your trickies corner. Sons are the best. Levi would never. I don't know. Levi, who yesterday I'm like, Levi, where are you? Yes, Mom, I'm upstairs. I said, are you playing nicely? Don't do anything stupid. He says, yeah, I'll soon come. Levi has gone into his closet, right? Gone into his father's closet and shows up like at the balcony, dressed like Shahemna. Wagwan! I'm like, did you dress up like your father to come and tell me Wagwan? He said, I'm like, get your backside downstairs. In your damn Elmo pants. Elmo sweatpants. This like shirt and take out daddy's glasses about Wagwan.
Listen, let me tell you something. The greatest joy in my life has been able to see Stevie love her mommy and daddy.
How you gonna say her cousins?
Oh yeah, she loves them.
Whatever, Tracy. She loves them. She's like, bro,
No,
bro. And I think
every
it's so cute that she calls her bro, and bro make sure every morning he comes outside to kiss Stevie good morning.
Yeah.
He's not really business about Remy, but he comes and he kisses
And
Stevie
he
good
doesn't
morning.
think about me. Love you, Stevie. We'll go. Good morning, Levi. Hi, Tracy. I'm like, hi. Like, can I just get a little kiss? No.
No, Levi's not giving you no chups. I don't know what you do, Levi. Levi not giving you no little chupsy chups.
None. No little chupsy chups.
She's give you like what is your trickies corner? Go into your phone.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You haven't given a trickies corner in a while. So somebody was asking me earlier, what happened to my Friday YouTube videos? And guys, I felt like I needed a break. Like I always felt so like anxiety of trying to put something together. Like it's not easy, like coming up with content. Like it's really difficult, and I don't find that I give you guys like hairy fairy content. Like I make sure that it's something that you can watch, that you can learn something from, or that is very entertaining. It's not like, oh, let's compare different fabric stores in Jamaica. Like I kind of need a little break, and I feel like Tuesdays I have time to like do stuff. It's also Christmas time at Levi's school. I'm on the PTA, so it's just a lot. It's been a lot, but there should be a video this Friday. I did give my editor a slap on the wrist because he didn't get the video out last week Friday, so I'm gonna let him know that Friday there must be this video of Levi and I decorating the Christmas tree. Oh, and Remy too, decorating.
Levi and Tricky been feuding for years.
This is true.
This is true. So my Tricky's corner today is about it's kind of what Jodi was talking about. So listen up, girly. It's about staying true to yourself and your craft and doing things that are more for you instead of doing it for other people. So Jodi and I were talking the other day, and Trinidad Carnival is coming up, and a lot of designers have been coming out with their carnival designs, and when Jodi and I started going to Trinidad Carnival, the girls were wearing sneakers and socks. Let's just get this straight, okay? And they were also wearing Monday wear was not existent.
Yeah.
They were wearing boy shorts with t-shirts tied up at the side. And we wore boy shorts with our bikini top, and that was like the lick, So
yeah, we'd always wear the same top because we spend so much for it. So we'd wear a costume bra and a lick of boy shorts.
Yeah. And that was the lick, and everybody used to be like so naked on the road, and like we just did go down there and act like two wagga beasts. But anyway. So, as time has gone by, Trinidad Carnival has evolved, and, now it is more of a fashion parade of,
And it's also like a money-making business.
This is my Tricky's corner. Trinidad Carnival has evolved, and it's more like a fashion parade of different styles, fashions, and it has opened up a lot of doorways for designers and just a lot of artisans to come through and showcase their talents. So in doing so, anytime that this doorway is open, there's always people who run the game, and every year there's always going to be people who come in as newbies, and they're gonna have their following and they're so hot or whatever. And 2023, with Carnival being open back and everything being on display, it's been very fun to watch designers and new designers and everybody come out with their collections that they have been working on for the past couple of years, and it's been a great experience for me personally. So a new designer came out, and I didn't think that her designs were very strong, but I applaud her for coming out with her designs and taking a place in the world of design. So Jodi and I were talking about it and whatever, and I said, she mentioned another name of a designer. She said she's been in the game for so many years and she just has not gotten any recognition. And her designs are good. And I was like, I agree. Like, I really think that lady's designers are great, and I don't think that she has gotten any recognition throughout the years. And the new designer who came out, who I didn't think was strong, has gotten a lot of recognition. And so I thought about that. I thought about that conversation, and I was like, it sucks so bad when you are in this big game. So Trinidad Carnival was just the world I was presenting to you guys, right? But it sucks when you are in this big game and you have been there for so long, and you constantly feel unrecognized, and you constantly feel that you're putting forward such good work and you're putting forward such an effort, and it's never anything that anybody is hyping you up for. You're not getting the following or the accreditation that you feel that you deserve. And I said it really sucks, but at the end of the day, I have to applaud this designer for always coming through. She's always come through. She's always come through with a design. She's always presented it, and she's always just been in the game as just like a staple. She's going to present something. And I just want to give those back burner staples. I just want to give you some love. I want to give you some appreciation, and I want to say, without you, there would probably be no competition, because the truth is that a competition is based on the competitors, on the people who are involved, and there's always going to be somebody like what is one of the football there's always going
Pele.
to be
Messi.
no, okay, there's
Neymar.
always going to be a Saudi Arabia that comes in and just shoots it out, and you're like, didn't expect that. And then there's always going to be a Germany who just falls back, and you're like, I expected this person to come through so strong, but then the Croatia is just standing steady, and there's always going to be people like that, and you just need to really just hold your ground. And that is a time when you need to say, boy, I really don't feel like I'm getting the credit that I want, but I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for myself, and this is what makes me happy. That is a time when you need to shut out the audience, and you just need to stand forth and be like, this is what I do, this is who I love to be, this is what I value, and this is what I am doing. What everybody else wants to say, I'm not going to let it get to my head. If they want to say yeah, they can say yeah. If they want to say nay, they can say nay. But I am going to just chuck along, because at the end of the day, that chucking, it gets you somewhere, and you just have to recognize within yourself that you have done this for yourself. You can say at the end of the day, I had a long love affair with whatever it is, and it proved,
And it made me happy. Yeah.
Just want to give you guys just that power to just stand steady and be a competitor in the game. Win, lose, or draw, you've always been a competitor, and that courage to continue playing the game, that is what really matters, and I applaud you.
That's a good one.
Is it good?
Yes. Now somebody said, but Tracy, I watch our World Cup though.
Yeah,
I watch our World Cup. I'll go downstairs, and every now and then, Cara will give me updates. I'll just hear, whoa, I said, Cara, what's happening? She goes, oh, Brazil is scoring next goal. And I'm like, oh, okay. And I just go to do something else. And I hear Cara, I get my updates from Cara. But other than that, I get my updates from my husband. Japan lost to Croatia due to penalties. The notes he said I must talk about here today.
And it's been the lining of this show.
Yes, Sean. Thank you very much for that update written here. So, Crap Toey, I appreciate your input.
Yeah, I want to also give a small thanks to our sponsors today, Lady B Mixology, for the clean
from the back.
Clean from the front.
No, back.
Front.
But these, you went and you had all the strawberries. This tastes good. You went and ate all the strawberries and left me with the little strawberry bits.
You should have come sooner.
I take long to get here. Brazil, aka second Jamaica. I think we see the colors and we're like, yo, see reggae boys there.
I know.
I love seeing like the memes though of like the Brazil fans in Jamaica coming out.
Fun fact for you guys. Did you know that an elephant's penis is so big that sometimes the elephant will let go the penis and stand on it to give one of his legs a break? The elephant's penis alone can weigh up to 60 kilograms.
I'm judging a little. How the fuck did you find that out? What were you watching? What came up on your feed? What are you doing? I don't understand. Like, honestly, Tracy, I know your popular page is weird. Like, you send me the weirdest stuff, but that tops the cake. Like, and that is, like, information that you've retained. I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
Don't lie.
Fun fact? How is that fun? Imagine you're going to the zoo.
The elephant has 5 legs. How do you explain that?
I mean, I don't understand. Like, you have legs on one is tied.
5 legs.
The elephant has 5 legs. The elephant has 5 legs, and one is very special.
But you guys didn't know that, though.
No, I don't think anybody knew that.
Well, fun fact. There you go.
Okay.
Bambino, get that up on your morning show.
No. Big up to China KSR checking in earlier with Baby Royal. We have named the Baby Royal because these two dunce bats did not realize that Dan Dan's last name was Royal. So we saw welcome baby Royal. So we're like, wow, Royal is a perfect last name. And then people are saying, oh, that's a last name. And we're like, whoa, Royal.
I know, baby Royal.
Royal.
Baby's favorite color is going to be purple.
Ah, that's a royal color.
Mm-hmm.
I
So
like
baby
that.
girl, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
She's royal, so royal.
I want her in my life.
Baby is a life-changing thing, guys. Don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly.
I don't think anybody takes it lightly.
I think some people do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I definitely don't. But
You don't think people understand? There's no formula, so I had to call.
Yeah, what you did about the formula, Steve? We need to start drink some Lasco or some Nestrum.
She drinks Similac, which I just find is like a regular schmegular formula, but there was none. So anyway, I called the company and they said they have Go and Grow. So I ordered 2 cases. So
That's the blue one.
silver top one.
The silver top, okay.
So I ordered 2 cases of the Similac Go and Grow. Fine, no problem. So I said, okay, great. How many to a case? 4.
6. Oh, you lie.
4 liquor formulas to the case. So then I was like, okay, give me 2 cases. Cool, no problem. How much is that? $24,000. I was like,
Wow.
oh, so for 8 jars of formula is $24,000?
They're like, no, 1 for 4.
No, so for 8 formulas,
Yeah.
which is 2 cases.
Right.
2 cases equals 8 formulas.
Yeah.
It's $24,000.
So that's 8 for 1? No, 8.
Don't
8.
worry about the mathematics.
Okay,
just
cool.
say,
Yeah,
just say,
wow.
wow. That's
Oh.
expensive.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Dude,
Wow.
that's crazy. And that's buying straight from the distributor, so that's supposed to be.
I can't believe 4 is in a case. When back in my day it was 6 to a case, you know.
Your day was a long time ago.
They're cutting down on the newer age parents. Back in my day it was 6 to a case.
Did you guys use epidural? I'm terrified of the needle, so thinking of going natural. Jodi, let me tell you
Jodi,
something.
that needle, trust me, you'll be like, when that needle come in, you'll be like, yes, you'll be so happy
Stick
to see a
it
little
in,
needle.
you'll be like,
Like,
put it
bring
where
me that needle, come on, woo! Like, oh, it feels like a bee bite. Come on, bring the bee bite right on my bumper. Come on. She's
Listen, I don't play no hero. I don't like pain at all, so I don't like that.
Yeah, no, honestly, and no, because what happened when I was going into labor with Levi was there was another mom in distress. So one of the anesthesiologists, 2 of the anesthesiologists of the 3, they were on the ward helping the mother and baby in distress, and then there was one little guy, and I waited on him. Oh, when they came to check me, like the nurse came to check me to see how far along I was. I never made her check me because if you go too far along, you can't get the epidural. Anyway, you see when that little white man with him little shaggy hair coming, I never so happy to see a little white man in all of my life. And he was like, and I stayed, and I was like, he's like, you're pretty far along, and I'm like, no, just we're okay. I'm not gonna move. Jodi, you don't feel a thing. You don't feel a thing. It's not even like a bee bite at all. You don't feel a thing.
Did you just poop?
No, my nails went like this on the thing.
Oh my god, I was like, it sounded so wetty.
No.
You have to check yourself.
That's why we're trying to wrap the show. No, it's my nails on here. I wanted an epidural and my mom discouraged me. That's because your mother never get one, you know. Your mother never get one and she bad mind. You can lie down there in your full face of makeup and be like, oh yes. Oh, what do I do now, doc? Okay, fine. Get epidural.
Trust me, guys. And in Jamaica, they don't give you the full dose of epidural. They do pain management. So Jodi was sitting down there like this, full face of makeup, not even a drip of sweat after me. I look like I went through the war. I had an epidural because
I could hear her. Remember we were in the parking lot and we were
the
just
kids
waiting.
were there like, Mrs. Roman, you cannot be screaming like that to me. Why? And that was with epidural.
Tiffany and I are in the parking lot and we're like, that cannot be Tracy. That was so embarrassing. What was Scott saying?
Embarrassing for who?
Tracy, man.
When
Pain management.
When Scott delivers a baby out of his body head, then he can talk about embarrassing.
I just don't find a body head hole and a vagina hole are the same types of hole. Like it's not the same size.
But it's still a bit.
Okay. Alright guys, we are now wrapping up. Make sure you catch me 7:30 right here on my live. We are going to be doing some shopping. And you guys help me along. Who are you missing off of your list? I'm going to help you find something. I'm going to show you some of my favorites that I actually have bought, sent, all of that. So get the epidural and see you at 7:30. You know what? Let me see if I have any open Prosecco. Do you think I should shop and drink later?
Yes!
Okay, alright, say no more. See you at 7:30. The time. Not etc. time, just the time.
7:30
time. Okay, the time. We're gonna be on Carib Shopper. Make sure you have your computer, your laptop, your husband phone ready because you're gonna need to watch
And
me
your
and then
husband's credit card. You missed that out. Boom.
Yeah, boom. Yeah.
So
good
thank
time
you to our
shopping.
sponsors today, MAC Cosmetics.
Lady B
Thank you
Mixology
to Lady B Mixology.
from the back.
From the front.
No, Tracy.
You too well. You too well.
From the back.
From the front. You too well.
My favorite sisters. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
Alex sleeps in between us while we poop on her.
That's right.
Hi, Auntie Margie. All right, guys, that's it. Please make sure shop and sip. No, we ain't sipping. We're gulping. We're gonna shop and gulp. So, guys, make sure you log in. Just give me a little strength later at 7:30, and I do have a discount code for you. So when you're going over onto Carib Shopper to shop, Maggie Apri. Type in Jinx, Jinx, and you can get up to 15% off once your purchase is over $75. And I'm going to show you I'm going to show you what I have downstairs now. Anyway, guys, see you later. We're going to shop and gulp with Carib Shopper and me, your wonderful host. Should I change?
I like that shirt.
I like this shirt too. Okay, I'm going to look exactly like this. So see you later, guys. No baiting. Just get your things, your powder and your credit card, and let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Shop and Gulp 2022, 7:30 tonight at the time. All right. Bye, everybody. See you later.